So here we have our Cuisinart DGB-900 coffee pot. Now this is a coffee pot that comes with a bean grind feature, which is really nice. So up here we can see that we have the bean hopper itself. It has a nice little cover plate, and when we look at it, there is a lock and unlock button. So if we want to unlock it, that's what actually removes the bean grinder. You kind of have to push. You can definitely feel when it's going to lock into place or not. But you can remove this entire piece. And that comes off, and we can see that we do have our bean hopper. We have our bean chute. So this is what actually opens it. Obviously the beans go in, they get ground up, and they get dropped into the rest of the coffee maker. Okay, so again, we can feel this locking into place. You have to sort of press down in order to get it in there. The lid just goes kind of right on top. And then on the front panel, we have our different buttons. So obviously we have our power button, which will start the grind or the brew. Grind off. So if you don't want to use beans, you don't have to. You just hit that grind off button, and then you can use normal grounds. And we have our grind control. So this grind control is actually just for the beans and not for the water. It determines how many cups that this coffee maker is going to grind at one time, anywhere from 2 to 12. We also have our strength control button, which goes from light, medium, and strong. And we have our program button. So we can use this program button along with these hour and minute buttons to actually start an automatic grind on this. If you want to start a grind at 6 o'clock in the morning, just program your time and then let it start on its own. So on the side, we have a button that releases, and this is where your coffee filter basket is. All right, so now when this is grinding, this gear actually will move around, and it helps with your grind. So you want to make sure that this is in place. And underneath that, we do have our permanent coffee filter basket. You can use paper filters, but you don't want to use both. Don't put a paper filter in this. Either use this or just a paper filter. The rest of the basket does come out so that you can clean it. It is dishwasher safe, so that's all fine. Go ahead and put this back together real quick. Okay, and that just closes and snaps right into place. Now on the right hand side, you have your water